Oh, what up, you guys? We are at like a little mini food truck get together out here. We're gonna try some deep fried ice cream, fire cream, I guess that's what it's called. We are also trying out the cookies and cream Oreo, so let's just see what this thing looks like. These things look absolutely amazing. Like, look at this stuff. Look at this. Oh man, can't wait. Check this out. This looks absolutely amazing. Delicious. Come check it out.
How was it, guys?
It's great.
Good, thank you. Yeah.
Yo, kind of tempted. I think I'm gonna go check out Stevens D's right here. Ooh, we gotta get some of that meat though. Alrighty, so we got Stevens D's burger. Look at this, just a basic bacon cheeseburger, but I gotta say, it is massive. Picture doesn't really do justice, but it is massive and it looks tasty. Let's go. We already got the first couple bites in there, and this is a wonderful patty. Good bacon, nice and crispy. You guys, come check it out. This is good. This is way better than McDonald's. This is way better than Smash Burgers. And look, they even gave me a little dum-dum. Just right off the bat, you know, it's on like a decent size. It's kind of a busy road, but you just want to come up through here. Boom, this is the entrance. That's how you know you made it. So let's go inside, check out this shop. As you walk up, we have the service desk right here. It's where you check in, do all your fancy cool stuff, you know. Alrighty, so as you come around the corner there, we got this amazing transformer. Look how sick that looks. Anyways, we got the low boy alignment rack right here, you guys. Look at this. All you low cars can fit on here. Heck yeah. State of the art right here. Wow, just like that, I already missed the oil change. I can't believe it. They're so quick over here. 5 minutes, I look away. Wow, they're done. Alrighty, you guys, and just like that, we are done with the oil change. That was like the fastest oil change ever. But we were just in there really quick. I just want to showcase you guys what JWP is all about. It's just like a big automotive shop, you know. They're ready for business, you guys. They are appointment only. Yo, we have made it to MNILLEST, and whoo-wee, ice cream truck. We got cops over there. We got Ralph over here. Hey. Let's see that camera. What are you using today?
EOSR, you know, smaller, mirrorless shit.
Not bad. Right. Oh, we got GTRs, we got Jaguars, we got everything here. We got everything. What more do you need? I mean, we got cops getting along with everyone. This is great. This is great. Pat, we got stage 2 Subaru to start things off right away here. Subi Soda Special. Yep. Yo, she found a brake pad. Jeez.
Oh, okay, here you go.
It's gonna be a rough day for someone in a little bit here. Jeez. Dad, what are you getting me? Dad, what are you getting me? Yo, what we got? He's serious today. All right. What do we got here? We got another Subaru over here chilling. He's got. I know this is a Subi meet today. MN Subaru is taking over.
Are you an admin for?
I am an admin for MN Subaru.
You are?
All the call outs, bringing all the Subis to the yard right here. We got some Mercedes. Another GTR, way too common. I'm not getting a GTR. No way, nope. Got a Civic over there. Got another Subaru. Let's go check this beast out. Look at this. Thing's sick. I love my Subarus, you know. Every time there's a meet, gotta spotlight the Subarus. We got another Subaru over here. He bagged and everything. Woo-wee. I like missing a tow hook though. We got the K-drama over here. Anismo. Yeah. What else is here? What else?
Datsun.
A Datsun. Yo, we got a 2JZ in here.
Film a little bigger in there.
Yo, someone's making all this noise over here. I gotta go check it out. No way that Civic's making all that noise. No way. I think the Civic's got an exhaust leak or something. Whoa. Wow. Listen, I think it's got an exhaust leak or something.
Bro, look what you did, bro.
What's up, bro?
Look what you did.
I said meet the BBC. Shoot. brought all the DVCs out today.
There was a Mustang that made hella noise last week. Neighbors was like,
So what? Yo, we got them shares though. Whoa. I think we already covered this, but let's just look at that NSX though. And then we got that Alpha 9 GTR. Whew. That's nasty. Yo, my man's rolling in here super slow today. He just got done doing a fat rip. He's like, oh, this cops. Bet you won't do it again.
Didn't know there was a cop meet.
We don't discriminate. We're getting all kinds of cars today. What's next? We need some Mopar guys out here too. We're getting all kinds of cars out here. We got the Honda Civics. We got a Suburban over there. Woo. Oh, we got 2 planes. We don't discriminate out here at MNILLEST. Oh, we got another Subi. We got another Subi. We got some Tauruses. Woo! Content.
this is the one you want. Fastest TSX.
Fastest
I
TSX.
got is taillights.
Team Rogue. We got 10K on the line right here. All the TSX. Come on out.
What's up, President?
We got another Stage 2 Subaru. He's blocking it. You got a carbon fiber. Is this real carbon fiber?
Yeah, bro. Carbon fiber trunk.
Trunk also?
diffuser.
Let's go see this. Oh, expensive. Oh my gosh. Oh, expensive. Tail is a Subi Speed?
Yeah.
Like what, version 3s or something?
B2s or whatever they're
B2s, yeah. Dang, expensive. What else? Expensive. Muffler deletes?
Yep.
Expensive. I like it.
Stock. Stage 2 stock.
Stock wheels.
That's how you know it's Stage 2.
Alrighty. Whoa, look at this. Another Stage 2 Subi. Wide body. Woo. Pose. Oh, yeah. We got another Turbo Civic over here. Wide body. So is this one technically the car show version and this is the racing version? Jeez, that thing's so wide. That thing's crazy. Looks so sick. And we got the Mustang, stock height, extremely high up. Yep. Yeah, GTI. Whew. I'm going down here. An FRS, R6, S54. Whoa. We got a Mitsubishi. That's a big front mount. That thing's crazy. It's clean, no rust. What? Oh, we got another Subaru over here. Yeah. Red mud flaps though. It's pretty sick. I feel like today's just nothing but Subarus. Man, we gotta find some other cars. Got some BMWs. Clutch up. Interesting. Wrapped. Interesting. Alright, we can't discriminate. We got a Golf. I don't know. Got a Mazda. Oh, yeah. Oh, finally, we got something cool. See, they're wild, fast. Got a tow hook. Tow hitch. Cool. Oh my goodness. Must be a drift machine. Yo, look at this dope Miata rolling up here, boys. We got all kinds of different colors on there. Ooh. Bumper bar fall off, bro. The first to leave is the Jag. Unfortunately, goodbye. Hey, it's Kevin. Hey, look, it's Kevin. We got another Subi. Today's MN Subaru Day. Oh, we got another GTR. These things are way too common, man. I'm never getting a GTR. Look at this thing. Yeesh. All right, he gonna do some tricks for us or what?
I really don't think it's got enough air, so it might not hop, but... No, it doesn't have enough air.
We like that squat life. Yo, the man's himself has showed up. Look at this guy. Another Subaru going away. Yep. Oh. Get him. Get these Subies. right, we got an FP Red, fully built, closed deck block. Looks like a Cobb intake. Not bad. Not bad. We got a fake HKS blow valve. That's a real one? Shoot. Not bad for $10,000 spent, man. Oh, we got another Subaru leaving the meet. Can't have none of this one later. I'm in Subaru. Well, you guys, that's gonna do it for MNILLEST. It was cool, you know, seeing all the cops, the sheriffs, everyone just chilling, mingling, talking, whatever you want to call it. So we'll see you guys on the next one. MNILLEST is still popping. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.